Well, hello everybody. I am Roger, the second son of Keita and Dave, and I have been led to put some music to a poem that was written by my elder brother Nick. Now, Nick, forgive me my butt, but I've had to change the words because poems don't always turn into songs, so you have to play a little bit to get round it. So bear with me. A tribute to my mom. Brave soul that she was. Now with the Lord. Amen. Though you fought this uncertain battle, unconquered joy and faith, it stuck with you all your life. Yeah, yes, throughout your life. Oh, yeah. Through mental gaps and spaces, they now left empty. Yeah, those mental gaps and spaces now left empty. Patience your hallmark, love always a plenty. Yeah, patience your hallmark, and love a plenty. Mother of mine, oh yeah, mother of mine, oh yeah. Fly high, brave spirit, fly high, brave spirit, mother of mine. Oh, now ascending, oh yeah, she's now ascending. Your long life was lived out well. Long may you shine, long may you shine, oh mother of mine, mother of mine. Now face to face with Jesus divine, reflecting glory divine, mother of mine, oh yeah, mother of mine, oh yeah, mother of mine. Rest in peace. Bye.